what I think about the leaders at UPSI University. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and peace be upon you all. First of all, let me introduce myself, Nopi Kurniawan Zega. My number student is 192505660. Okay, let's get straight to it. Dear teacher at the UPSI campus and fellow student whom I am proud of, praise and gratitude we offer to God Almighty because by His grace we can gather in this room in good health. I am here representing my fellow student to share some view and input regarding to the going lecture process with the goal of creating a more effective and conducive learning environment in the future. First of all, we greatly appreciate your dedication to teaching. We feel that your mystery of the material is very in-depth, and we have learned a lot from the English you provide in meeting. Regarding teaching meeting, we have a few suggestions. We feel that sometimes the material present into dense it one session, making it difficult for us to fully absorb the information. Perhaps it will be helpful if at the end of the session you could provide a summary of key point or a relevant case study in facility your understanding. Overall, we are connecting this feedback is a form of your convert the quality of learning on, and we are with a few adjustments the teaching and learning process be more optimal. We secretly apologize any of your work we are inadequate or effective to the lectures. Thank you your attention and that's given. We greatly appreciate your input and we need guidance with morning. Please be open your and please. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, this time I will discuss question work. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nopi Kurniawan Zega. My student ID number is 1925060. Okay, let's go straight to it. What is a question work? Question word is a word used to ask for information, often starting with VH or containing VH. Example include what, when, where, which, who, whom, and how. These words are used to ask about a specific topic like a person, place, time, reason in meeting. Next, types of question work are several types of question work. First, when used to ask about time. Why used to ask about the reason. Whom used to ask about the person. Who used to ask about the subject. What used to ask about the subject. Where used to ask about the place. Whose used to ask about whose. Which used to ask about adjective. How used to ask about condition. And a parent one, for example, who and what as the subject, and the question word for an object. Example for who cook noodle, who cooked noodle, who will cook noodle, and this who is a question word, cook is a verb, noodle is a object. Who is a question word, cook it is a verb, noodle is a object. Who is a question word, will cook is a verb, noodle and is a object. Okay, example for what? What is a fish? What are a fish? What will a fish? And what question word? It a verb. A fish is a object. What question word? Are is verb. A fish is a object. What is a question word? Will it is a verb. A fish is a object. Parent 2, whom, where, when, why, what. Then question word, auxiliary, subject, verb, and object. Example, whom do you call? Whom did you call? Whom will you call? Where do you eat a fried rice? When do you eat a fried rice? Why do you eat a fried rice? And last, parent 3, whose, which, how. Question word, noun, auxiliary, subject, verb, and object. Example for 3, whose book do you take? Whose book do you take? Which book do you take? How many books do you take? How much water do you take? Do you drink? Okay, that's all for discussion of the material about discussion word. Thank you and see you later.